Hello guys, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about how to monetize your platform. So we talked about how to get followers, how to connect with them, how to grow your stuff. Let's talk about how to make money. Let's hop into it. Okay, so for the first and probably the easiest method of making money from IG or from any social platform is through shutouts. This can be like brand deals or brands, shutting out brands, products, or other influencers or other creators. It means that if you get reached from someone, get reached to you from someone to shut you out, that means that for example, you post a story for 24 hours for like $50. I just said something, and that's your shutout. And you just tag them and they can go to your stuff. Or in YouTube, you can shut out a brand by, in one video, for example, if they send you some stuff, send you some money, and you just basically tell them that this is the product or review that product for that whole video, which is good for you because you get content as well as you get a new thing you can use if it's good, of course. And but the problem with shutouts is you don't have to go too hard on them. So try to not saturate your content too much. So a lot of people saturating their content too much, posting too much shutouts, which will result lowering your engagement rates, because not everybody wants to see advertising all the time. So basically, for example, if you are just doing story shutouts, that's fine, that's okay, but don't make it too obvious. Just make it as good and as hidden as possibly can, with providing value to that people that paid to your stuff. However, on YouTube, usually you are not going to shut out other people's, but you can actually, and there is some examples for that. So yeah, or collabing with someone. Yeah, basically that's it, shutouts. Yeah, this is the first way of making money from your platforms and your following. Okay, so the second way you can make money is by brand deals. So this is like a shutout actually, but this is a long-term shutout. So you probably make brand contract with a brand or just few times. So basically it's like you get paid to post about them, and you can use them, but actually not use them, you can sell their product with your affiliate link and you get some percentage of that, as well as you can represent the brand. And a lot of brands don't say that how much you should post, they just give you a quota, that's the minimum, and you can post more than that, which is fine because you not have to post all the time that you buy that stuff. You don't need to do that. You just need subtle, normal, basic advertising for them, basic content, and you just hide their stuff in there, or not just hide, just not make it too obvious that it's just an advertising post and that's all. So this is what the tip I should give you, and how you can get these brand deals. If you get good enough engagement and good enough following, then probably or maybe some brand will reach out to you, but you can reach out to them to, if you are using their products daily and you just want a brand deal, then you can reach out to them that, hey, look, I'm using your product, I really love it, can I get an affiliate link, or can I get a brand deal, or can we work together to get more sales to you, or something like that. Just reach out to them, try it, maybe you are good fit for them. But if brands reach out to you, make sure that you are getting up a brand, so contracting with a brand that is good, you think it's good, not just you just go there because of the money, because that's okay, good for you, but not good for your following, because they going to buy shit because you just want money. So contract with a brand that you like and you use, because when you will post about your brand that you are representing, and and after that you take another brand's product and use that, then that's hypocrite. So keep that in mind, guys. Okay, guys. So next tip is creating your own online product. Online product. I'm saying online product because the next step will be another thing. So this is solely for online products. So what I mean by that and how you can create it. The easiest thing is to create an ebook, program, course, any kind of online service. And I'm saying online because basically, so a physical product going to be another step in this process. And you can create, for example, if you are in a fitness space, you can create a really good workout plan and selling that. And you get 100% profit on that because you don't have to advertise, so no advertising cost. Yeah, you have a little bit of creating content, creating cost, which is like renting the website or making the website if you want to pay for them. But I think nowadays with the tools that you have, you can create a really good website without any professional equipment, without any professional knowledge. So yeah, keep in mind that. So you can create the website, you just have to pay 30 bucks for a Shopify store, so that's like it. And if you sell two of them, you're basically going, one or two of them, you're basically going to go with all of the profits. Yeah, so, and you have an online product. If you are doing a course, then just it just takes a lot of work, and after that you kind of have 100% profit. Not 100% return, but 100% profit. Almost. So yeah, think about that and try to create something that is valuable to people. I said workout plan because that's easy to understand, good, but you can make really good ebook. For example, if you're a cooking page, you can make a really good cookbook with a lot of stuff, a lot of videos, a lot of pictures, but you can make videos, from the videos you can make a course too, and all that kind of stuff. So be creative and try to give people a really good product. So when you create your online product, keep in mind that would you buy that? And if you would buy that, would you be happy with that, what you got? Because you don't want to fool your followers and subscribers. So yeah, keep that in mind. Okay, and the next way to monetize your platform and your subscribing is merchandise. So yeah, this is not available for any kind of influencers, but you can pull off with almost everything. But you have to have a really good connection with your audience to buy your merchandise. So merchandise is basically a clothing line, actually, where you put your logo, put your catchphrases and your sayings into clothing. So, for example, t-shirts, sweaters, all kind of stuff. And you can make a really good profit of them too, and you can monetize them really good if you have really good catchphrases, which is people like, and you can tell the people that this is the way they can support you. And yeah, this is basically the way they can support you to make more content easily. Not easily, but better, with better equipment. So yeah, this is an easy available way, but not for everyone. So yeah, keep in mind, because you can sell yeah, basically everybody can sell merchandise, but it's not so easy to everyone. Okay, so the last method is actually the most expensive method you can use, but probably the best method you can use. So this is basically creating your own brand. which is what you are doing from the start, the personal branding. But now, with a lot of followers, with all the methods that I said before to monetize your platform, and you raised money for your own brand creation, you can create right now a brand that's, for example, let's stay with the fitness team. You sell pre-workouts and protein powders with your name on it, with your stamp on it. You create a product from nothing and sell that. So this is why I say create your own brand is a really good idea. But you have to have a lot more money for that, because you're testing protein powders, for example, with the fitness team, testing protein powders, pre-workouts, all that kind of stuff. That takes a lot of money to get done, because you have to test them, have to fine-tune them, and have to be a really good product what you would use, because you have to use them. Not have to, but you should use them if you are creating them. So yeah, creating the brand is the last step, and one of the most important step, because that's the ultimate way of getting into basically the millionaire territory with your influencing, with your brand, with your personal brand. Because the other methods can be used, can be leveraged to reach your potential and get a really good living standards. But to get rich, you need to actually create a brand which is people, which real people, which brand will be liked from other people. So yeah, this was the 5 basic methods to monetize your platform, monetize your following. And if you are like this video, please leave a like. If you want to get more stuff, more extra tips and more marketing stuff or more business stuff, please just leave a comment what you want to see next, and turn on post notification, and I'm seeing you in the next one. Goodbye guys.